Students, welcome back to maths class. Student, now today we are going to learn about exponents exercise 2b fourth main problems. See students, simplify a to the power of 5 into b square divided by a square into b to the power of minus 3. See here a to the power of 5 into, see here denominator a square is there. It will go numerator will become plus will become minus. So that's why a to the power of 5 into a to the power of minus 2 into b square same into again b to the power of minus 3 will go numerator. Minus 3 will become plus 3. So a to the power of 5 into a to the power of minus 2 into b square into b cube. See here a to the power of 5 into a to the power of minus 2. Base same base means powers are added. See here formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m plus n. This formula we have to apply here. See a to the power of m plus n means 5 minus 2 into again here also base same powers are added b to the power of 2 plus 3. Next 5 minus 2 3. So a cube b to the power of 2 plus 3 5. So a cube into b to the power of 5 is the answer. Second question. Simplify. See here 15 into, see next second one 15 y to the power of 8 divided by 3 into y to the power of cube. See here 15 y to the power of 8 divided by means by 3 y to the power of 3. See here cancellation is possible. 15 by 3 here 3 1 ja 3 5 ja cancellation is possible. So that's why y came here. Next y to the power of 8 into y cube, it will go numerator minus plus 3 will become minus 3. So 5 into y to the power of 8 into y to the power of minus 3. See here 5 into here this formula apply here a to the power of m into a to the power of n formula a to the power of m plus n. This formula we have to apply here y to the power of 8 minus 3. See here 5 into y to the power of 8 minus 3 5. So 5 into y to the power of 5 is the answer. Fifth question. 36 x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Next see 36 we can write 6 square. X square same whole to the power of 1 by 2. Next see here also square is there, here also square is there. Both together 1 square it will come. So 6x whole to the power of square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Next see here 6x whole square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here 2 cancel. So remaining 6x is the answer. Next seventh one 2x square y to the power of minus 3 whole to the power of minus 2. See here 2 to the power of this minus 2 belongs to whole means 2 to the power of minus 2 into x to the power of, see here a to the power of m whole to the power of n formula a to the power of m into n. This formula we have to apply here x to the power of 2 into minus 2 into y to the power of minus 3 into minus 2. See here 2 to the power of minus 2 negative integral it will come 1 by 2 square into x to the power of plus into minus 2 2 ja 4. So x to the power of minus 4 into y to the power of minus into minus plus 3 2 ja 6. Next 1 by 2 square value 4 2 into 2 4. X to the power of minus 4 it will come denominator plus minus 4 will become plus 4. So 1 by 4 into x to 1 by 4 into x to the power of 4 into y to the power of 6. So y to the power of 6 divided by 4 into x to the power of 4 is the answer.